As promised, I am here to talk about a Zeo Skin Health product, and it's none other than their brand new launch. This is their Facial Peptide Refining Concentrate. This is an exciting product for me because this is a highly active, high-performance serum that is targeting not only facial volume loss, but also lift, firmness, crepiness, volume, and uneven skin texture. We're combining advanced technology of peptides with volumizing and barrier support ingredients. When you use this, you're going to get more lifted, hydrated, and happier skin. You guys know I love peptides, so let's dig in to the amazing peptides you will find in the new Zeo Facial Concentrate. First up is acetyl octapeptide 3. This is a neuropeptide that helps to relax facial muscle contractions. So it's going to soften the appearance of dynamic wrinkles, particularly around the eyes and the forehead. Next is acetyl heptapeptide 8. This one is great because it actually targets deeper lines and folds while also supporting the dermal matrix and its integrity for firmer skin. It also has Zeo's refining peptide complex. This is a signature blend of peptides designed to enhance the skin's structure that's going to improve elasticity and deliver a subtle lifting effect, especially along the jawline. One of my favorite ingredients is a volumizing peptide. This is going to restore facial volume because we lose it as we age. So it's really going to help give the face back a more youthful contour. Lastly, in the key ingredients, there's Z Poly Complex, which is a patented group of ingredients that is going to target redness, reduce inflammation, strengthen the skin's barrier, and support skin's overall resilience. In the new facial concentrate, you're also going to find vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant and great for just skin softening. There's sodium hyaluronate, so it goes on super smooth and easy, sinks in rapidly, and hydrates the skin on contact. It also has a few really great extracts that are going to just help to protect the skin against pollution and oxidative damage, keeping the skin hydrated. So if you're thinking about the new Zeo Facial Contour Serum, just know this is a sophisticated formula, peptide rich, which I love, and it's really for mature skin aiming to bring back the contour and lift we had in our youth. Packed with neuropeptides, volumizing agents, while also protecting the skin against stress, antioxidants, and added extracts. Love this science-backed approach to younger, healthier skin. This is advanced anti-aging care.